What unexplained force kept the city of Belgorod in suspense during the 1930s? Residents began hearing ominous knocking sounds emanating from walls at all hours, leaving people both fascinated and terrified. The inexplicable noises spread like wildfire across the city, inciting wild theories ranging from secret tunnels to supernatural occurrences. Despite numerous efforts to locate the source and ensure residents' safety, no explanation was ever found. This audacious tale of mystery left an indelible mark on Belgorod's history, as the enigma of the knocking remains unsolved to this day.